Welcome to Tonia's Kitchen, where every flavor tells a story. Please subscribe. Here is our fluffy and crispy meat pie. 700 grams of flour, tablespoon of salt, add baking powder, and stir. Make a hole. Add 2 eggs, 2 raw eggs. Stir to well combined and add to the flour. Cover. Add your 200 grams of butter. Add sugar and mix till well combined. Adding more butter is for fluffiness and softness. Mix till well combined. If you find out, add milk a little bit. If your dough is strong, a bit strong, or if it's more strong, add more. Knead till you form a dough. Knead very well till smooth. If it's too strong, you can add water or add milk. I prefer milk. Knead till you form a dough. Then cover with a film or towel as you prefer. Cut off and set aside. Prepare your veggies. To a dry pan, add oil, vegetable oil. Add your minced meat, minced or minced beef. Add seasoning powder. Add salt for taste. Add thyme for flavor. Add curry for flavor. And stir till well cooked. Add onions, your diced onions. Add your diced Irish potato. Add your diced carrot and bell pepper. Stir till well combined. Stir thoroughly till well combined. Then you add more spicy for the veggies for taste and for flavor. Stir and cover. Stir very well. When you're done stirring, you cover it. Then open, pour in your cornstarch and stir. Or you can use flour for it to be creamy. Wow, voila, it is creamy. It's done. Set aside. Knead the dough. Prepare your surface. Spray a dry flour and then cut your dough to your preferred size. Set aside. Roll with a rolling pin. Cut out the shape you want. Spread it. Then add the meat to the dough. Cover it. Use a fork to make it stable and strong to avoid poking open. Go again. This is how you will do until you are done with all. Flip over. Then poke. See. You actually use the fork to make opens on the top of the meat pie so that it can cook very well inside. Some people do it for decoration. Then to your pan, grease it with butter. I'm using air fryer. Then use raw egg to touch the meat pie. Set it on 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, bring it out. Spread more white egg, raw egg, and voila, it's done. Our meat pie is ready. We go in with the remaining ones. Touch it with egg, put it, set it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, meat pie is ready. See? I didn't even stress, just press it and it opens. So crispy, so yummy. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please do well to subscribe and like my videos.